and then you can control a property that doesn't belong to you and make money. Now, of course, you might ask me, how I'm going to make money from something that doesn't belong to me, something that is not mine? And I would say this, have an open mind, because people have been doing this for ages. Donald Trump, Rob Moore, who is one of the wealthiest people in Peterborough, Peterborough is outside London, Ryan, Kevin Mcdonneld, Samuel Leeds, my mentors, Simon Jutshi, and so many other people have been using this to build massive wealth from property, and they are millionaires and multi-millionaires. If they can do it, you can do it too. Of course, you need a mentor. You need maybe to be inside a mastermind program to learn how to implement these tools, because of course, without guidance, you won't be able to implement these tools, because I have to pay money to learn this, and of course I have a mentor to help me to implement this.